everyone, welcome back. I am Paridhiknow. So friends, today I have prepared a video related to the commonly asked question, and that is, how can we be fluent in English? I know this is a very common and important question, and as I shared in my previous video that how English is important and why is it considered as a global language. People are trying to learn this language because it is their need. If you know this language, you can get a lot of opportunities. So friends, today I'm going to share you some tips that you can use for learning English. And I'm also going to share you some activities by the end of today's video that can help enhance your spoken English. So watch this video till the end. Now friends, you must have heard about these 4 pillars in order to learn English: listening, speaking, reading and writing. LSRW. In order to learn English. So my dear friends, first we will start with listening. Now I would like to ask you all a question. How did you learn your mother tongue and how did I? For example, my mother tongue is Hindi and I learned it by listening to my elders or other people around me speaking in Hindi. Then I try to speak in my mother tongue. So this is how we all learned our mother tongue, right? So we can apply the same method to learn any new language like English. So the very first step is listening. Now friends comes this question: what to listen and where to listen? Nowadays, there are many things we can listen to, like English audiobooks, podcasts, interviews, conversations, and music as well. Nowadays, there are even platforms like YouTube which contain a lot of English content. So while you are scrolling through your phone, please try to listen to some English content, and I'm sure it will help you a lot. And friends, also don't make excuses like, oh, I have a lot of work tomorrow, so I will skip listening. No, please do not do this. You know, you have 24 hours a day, so you only need half an hour for listening. It is not that much difficult. Even if you start practicing from now little by little, it will improve your listening skills. It is not that much difficult. English is just a language. Don't take it as a subject. So this was listening. Now let's move on to the next point, which is speaking. As you all know, a good listener is a good speaker. So after a good listening, until or unless we speak, we will not be able to be fluent in English or any other language. So friends, speaking is the outcome of listening. So the more you speak, the better you will be. I know you must have some vocabs in your mind from earlier, right? Like paper, pen, pencil, door, and all of these simple vocabs. So you can try to frame short sentences using them and use them in your daily life. Like close the door, switch on the fan, make your bed, put on your shoes. So these are like some of the short sentences that you can use. Once you are comfortable using short sentences, you can try to frame a bit long sentences. Once you are comfortable with framing sentences, you can move on to speaking on topics. Choose simple topics which you already know about, like my daily routine, my favorite food. Okay, so these are some of the examples. Let me give you a quick demonstration on how you can speak on these topics. For example, I chose the topic my daily routine. Okay, so this is how I probably speak. I wake up at 7:30 a.m. every morning. I brush my teeth, freshen up. After that, I have a bath. Then I have my breakfast, get ready for my school, pack my lunch, pack my timetable, and then I set off for school. So, this is how you can speak on any kind of topic. Next is reading. Reading helps us gain new words and vocabs which help us enhance our vocabulary. It also gives us different kinds of knowledge. Different books give us different kinds of knowledge. So try to read many different kinds of books and explore more. For beginners, I recommend reading children's books because they have easy literature and vocabulary. Then you can move to a bit advanced books with advanced vocabulary and a bit hard literature. So this was reading. Now comes the last part, which is writing. What are we doing when we are writing? Now, for example, you are writing an English paragraph. So what you are doing at that time? While you are writing, you are imagining, you are thinking about that particular thing that you are writing. So it boosts your thinking skills. And if it boosts your thinking skills, it will surely enhance your spoken English as well. Now friends, what can we write? You can write on some simple topics such as what I did today or any special events like my birthday party or my school celebration or anything like that. So these are the four main keys of learning English. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading and writing. However, you may skip reading and writing initially, but don't forget listening and speaking. Without them, you cannot learn any kind of language. Now friends, I'm going to share you some fun activities that you can do while learning English, and I'm sure it will enhance your spoken English by a lot. Now I'm going to give you three simple and easy topics that you can speak on. First is my favorite food. Second, my mother. And third, my daily routine. These are very simple and easy topics and you can speak on them for at least 1 minute. Friends, do let me know in the comment section which topic are you going to speak on. So friends, this is all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. Keep practicing these 4 keys of learning English. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun English learning videos. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I post a new video. Bye bye everyone and keep learning.